This is Joost from DIYPhotography.net, and we're at NAB 2019 in Las Vegas, and we're at the SmallRig booth with Chen.
DIY Photography's coverage of NAB 2019 is sponsored by SERP, Better Films, Artlist, the best music for your videos, Storyblocks, Create More, Spiffy Gear, Lighting for Storytellers, and B&H, the professional source.
So, tell me something about SmallRig.
SmallRig is a company based in Shenzhen, China. We are making camera gears for photographers and also video shooters.
Yeah.
That's what we do.
I think your brand is really well known for, like, whenever a new product comes out, you're always one of the first with a new cage or new accessories.
We are always do that, yes.
Right, and so here you have something for the
Sony A6400,
yeah,
and for Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera,
yeah,
4K, and this is for the Zhiyun Weebill, yes, for gimbal.
All right.
Yes.
And what makes your product so special?
We always make dedicated kit for camera gears. We also make them form-fitting and full of accessories, mounting options. Yes, that's what. And we make it comfortable to hold and very easy to use. It's for vloggers because people think that this is a very good vlogger cameras, right? And we designed a cage for this, and we use our magic arm to attach a monitor where they can see their face or what they're shooting very clearly. And we have a very comfortable wooden handle that attached to the cage, so people can hold it very comfortable and ease.
Yeah.
And if they attach a small tripod, they can like put it on the table or just grab it. Sorry, it's too tight. Yes, just like grab it and they shoot.
Yeah. So, and how you deal with customer feedback? Because there's always a lot of people on the shows, and I think this is one of the very first times you're back again on one
it's our
of the shows.
Yeah.
How's that for you?
A lot of customers, our clients come here and they use our gears, they take it and they said to me they love our products and they hope we develop more based on their needs.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you actually adjust certain products on the needs of the clients?
Yes.
Can you give an example of that?
For example, we have co-design program and dream rig program that we collect customers' needs, and we have a design team that designs and tests and then bring a lot of products to our customers.
All right, that's great.
Here is a kit for the Zhiyun Weebill LAB.
Yeah.
This is a kit for the gimbal, and we designed two specific hand grip for them when they can shooting with at ease, because it's so nice wooden handle where they can shoot low angles, and here is for them to add more stability. Here is a plate when they attach heavier, longer lens, so they can attach our counterweight.
Yeah.
Yes, make them balance. Yes.
So all the products that you make, are they interchangeable? Can I use, for example, a handle for here on any other rig?
Yes, we have universal ones. For example, this wooden handle, you can attach everywhere if our products have array rosettes. And this shoulder rig is also a universal one. You can fit any on any shoulder rigs where you have dual rails.
All right.
Yes, and here is a very compact but a very comfortable shoulder pad. You can use everywhere.
All right.
Yes.
And do you produce everything in-house?
We have a design team, and we have our own factory in Shenzhen. Yes, we are very professional in making camera gears. Yes.
So whenever a new product comes out, you'll be likely to have a new cage or accessories very soon.
Yes, exactly.
All right, that's great. And will you be at more shows in the future?
Sure.
Because that will be really great to see more of you on the floor.
Yes, we are also very excited to see our customers.
That's very
face
good.
in face. Yes.
Great. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This was Joost from DIYPhotography.net, and we're here at NAB 2019 in Las Vegas, and we'll be walking the floor. And make sure to check the link in the description. We're giving away over $8,500 for cinema goodies, so we'll be seeing you around.